Well, hello out there, everyone. This is my new shortwave receiver. Well, new to me anyway. It's a DX-302 from Realistic. They were made from 80 to 82. That's 1980 to 1982. This one looks like it's almost brand new. It's got a couple of little blemishes up here, but nothing to worry about. Works great. It came with the telescoping antenna, also a wire antenna, with the standoffs. Don't believe I'll fool with that, but who knows. But it's kind of got that weird, what they call Wadley tuning. So first thing you do is set your pre-selector band, and this covers long wave, also long wave to me, AM broadcast band, 1.6 to 4.5, 4.5 to 12, and 12 to 30. You select the general area there, okay? And then you go up to here and you select your frequency. And to do your megahertz, you take the inside dial and you turn it till you get to the megahertz range that you want. Then you tune using your tuning knob till you find the station. Then you come back over to here in the proper range and just tune this to get your best reading. Kind of different tuning method, but hey, it takes whatever. Let's go through the dials. Okay, pre-selector band, attenuator 20, 0, and 40. Battery test for when you run it on batteries. It will run on C-size batteries. Wide, narrow selectivity. Main tuning dial. Now this is for your kilohertz, and this one changes your megahertz band. RF gain, volume, mode selector. Pretty cool radio. Yeah, cool to me anyway. I like it. I'll make some more videos and post them, and we'll see what you think of it. These are the things that are wrapped a cord up on. Your AC cord. I've got it running on a banana plug in my long wire antenna. Seems to do pretty good on it. As you can see, it's in excellent shape. It's got a handle to carry it on the side. It's got stick-on feet. Well, it doesn't have it's supposed to have stick-on feet, but it doesn't have them. It does have feet on the bottom for base station use. But anyway, that's my new toy. Realistic DX-302 from the early 80s, 80 to 82. Thanks for watching. More to come. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please ask. I'll be glad to answer them for you.